Yo, yo, yo. This the song I wrote if I died. I was on the 50 mile doing 9-5. Beating the pussy like he ain't got 9 lives. And I'm high, mix a rock and some blunts. Cause you only live once. Cause you only live once. Cause you only live once. Once. Yo, yo. White girl wasted, my wife girl hated. Cause when I'm faded, I just wanna see her naked. Adjust adjacent, like baby let me see your matrix. Karma Sutra back to basics. I was on the go, back to the block. 105 points, started bumping hard knock. I looked at my nigga fly, as my heart dropped. Sedan in front swerving, as the car stopped. In that split second, my footstep been breaking. I thought to myself, I always knew that I would make it. All it took was patience, and now I'm on the stations. Luckily, I made it right before my life was taken. It was too good to be mistaken for happiness and riches. People calling my phone like they happy that we did it. Little did they know I was about to meet my maker, till an angel came down and told me that my time was later.
Nice.